Eating for optimal health. Welcome back to Eating for Optimal Health. In this video, we're going to explore the nutritional powerhouse that is almonds. These tiny nuts are not only delicious, but also offer a wide range of health benefits. So let's dive in and discover why almonds should be a part of your daily diet. First and foremost, almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats. They are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been associated with heart health. Including almonds in your diet may help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you're looking to manage your weight, almonds can be a great addition to your meals. Despite being calorie-dense, studies have shown that the fiber, protein, and good fats in almonds can increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, leading to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Almonds are also a fantastic source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E is essential for maintaining healthy skin, supporting the immune system, and promoting eye health. But that's not all. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for various bodily functions. Magnesium plays a role in muscle and nerve function, supports bone health, and helps regulate blood pressure. Including almonds in your diet can contribute to meeting your daily magnesium needs. One unique benefit of almonds is their ability to support brain function. They contain nutrients like riboflavin and L-carnitine, which have been linked to neurological health and may help improve cognitive function. If you're concerned about blood sugar control, almonds can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. The combination of fiber, healthy fats, and protein in almonds slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to stabilize blood glucose levels. Incorporating almonds into your daily routine is easy. Enjoy them as a quick and satisfying snack, sprinkle sliced almonds over salads or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for an added nutritional boost. Remember that while almonds are nutritious, they are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. A small handful per day is usually sufficient to reap their health benefits without going overboard on calories. In summary, almonds are a nutritional treasure trove. From promoting heart health and aiding in weight management to supporting brain function and blood sugar control, these nuts have a lot to offer. So go ahead and grab a handful of almonds today to nourish your body and support your overall well-being.